Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to install a giant flag. Let's get started. Prepare the base. Fill the tank with either water or sand for stability. Connect all parts of the base. The 8 small caps are used to connect each pair of the 4 tanks. Use the 2 large caps as the center connector. Remember, caps with bolts go on the bottom and caps with holes go on top. And secure the top caps with bolts later. Insert the flagpole. Secure it to the base using the locker pieces on the side bars. Add the crossbar. Connect the side bar to the main flagpole using the plastic cap. Attach the flag to the hooks on the flagpole. Raise the telescopic flagpole. Be sure to fasten each telescopic part securely as you raise it. And there you have it. Your giant flag is now installed and ready to make a statement. Thank you for choosing CFM. CFM Efficient Visual Solution. www.chinaflagmakers.com